Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your iTunes error. Here you can see the code. You can see 0xE800000A. So how we can fix it? First we need to go to File Manager and just go to your system disk, and here you choose View and choose Show Hidden Elements, Show Hidden Files, and here you will see program data. So just open it, and here you will see folder with name Apple. So in folder with name Apple you will see lockdown, and folder with name lockdown, and you just need to delete this folder and with all elements that this folder contains. So just delete all the folder and just try to restart your computer. So I hope that it will help you. If it doesn't help you, you can also try to open your iTunes application. So just open your iTunes and just check if your iTunes uh, don't need to update. So if you have some latest updates, you need to update your iTunes, and after you update it, just restart your computer. So I will show you now how you can check if your iTunes version is the latest or not. So just click on accept. So here you can see this folder. So lockdown, name of folder. So that's folder you will need to delete. So just go to maybe it's in view, not in view. So just go to file, so also you can click here about iTunes, and here you will see your version of iTunes and check if in the internet if it's the latest version or not. So if not, just update your iTunes, and I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.